Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, Navdeep. Good evening, Karina. Good evening, Madhu. Good evening, Kaveri. So let's wait for 5 minutes so that other participants can join. And then we will start with the today's topic. Okay. But till then, if you have any doubts, I hope you have tried the Animaker. And if you face any doubt, you had any doubts, you can ask me, right?
Mainly, how to change the direction of those characters. Instead of walking straight, can they come crossways or something like that?
Mm, See, only you cannot change them. You can change it to left or right position because it's a 2D part, no, not the 3D one.
Okay.
Yeah. So in 2D versions, you cannot change it to the front or forward or backwards, front or back. You can change it to the left or right only. The cartoons we saw at our times in the TVs, you might see they were moving only left or right mostly because that time was of the 2D version, not the 3D.
Okay.
So this tool is focusing on 2D version only. Okay, so any other doubts? Any other thing? Okay, so I think everything's clear. Kamble. Yes, Kamble. Any other website other than Animaker is in the paid version. So yes, there are others, but they are not free. Okay, and you cannot on like in Animaker, we created the video, and to remove the watermark, we just recorded it, but that doesn't work in other websites. Means you cannot create a website, so you cannot create a video basically, because after creating we can record, but they don't allow to they uh, create a video first. So now we don't have in the free version. Anything else? No, Kamle. Kamble. If there is no copyright issues in the screen recording because you have created your own script now. Copyright is basically when you copy something of someone else. You copy the work of someone else, right? You are not copying it. You are doing your own work and you are just uploading it by yourself. You just put the use some hacks to download or record it.
Now, is there any way we can edit the characters? Like if we search for action riding a bike, if
Hmm.
the character is wearing a helmet, is there any way we can change that particular aspect and get the helmet off or anything like
Mm, See, I don't think so because in the action, if a person is wearing if in the action itself is wearing a helmet, then you cannot remove it. Okay.
that?
Yeah. There are some specific things you can do only, but if you wanted these type of things, like you want to do all by your own part, so we do have other classes as well of the AI tools, right? In the coming weeks we will have the AI tools classes. So in that I will teach you one or two tools. In that you can create the AI based cartoon videos. Means you just give a text and your video will be ready. A scene, particular scene will be ready. So that will be useful. Okay. No Karina, no chat, not any copyright issues comes. Everything that ChatGPT gives or any other AI tools gives is copyright free. Okay. So hoping that everything's clear. Okay. Then now I hope it's clear. Let's move with the today's topic. Kaveri, is there any pro versions of the same website to access premium features? Yes, you can purchase the premium of the Animaker, no, if you want to do the things. But I don't think so that you need to. Okay, because I would suggest to work in the free version. Why to go for the premium if we can work on the free? Okay, just use the free version and upload it on the YouTube. Okay, so after uploading on the YouTube, when some earnings you have, okay, when some earnings can is happening, then you can go for the premium version. That yes, finally I am creating something from this, I am earning something from this, now I should invest in it. Okay, so we'll take the more doubts at the end. Now let's start with the session. I think my screen is visible, everyone.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, nice. So for the today's topic we have is blogging. Okay, the today's topic is blog. So what is a blog? Anybody knows what is a blog?
Writing the keywords related.
Writing the keywords. Okay, very close.
It's like when you like write about your like experience and then posting it on the internet.
Writing about the experiences and posting it on the internet. Article posting, writing article posting on the internet, writing travelogies on journals. Okay, very nice.
To increase the traffic and visibility, we generally add blogs to the website.
Okay, very nice. Kaveri, your thing, the things you are saying is correct, but not the blog part. It's a different part. Okay, we will
Okay.
discuss. But I like it that you knows about the things. Okay, and yes, I think you done more. Aditya, we will cover the YouTube in the YouTube classes. Okay, sharing the learnings and experiences, very nice. So everyone knows about the blog. So very nice, everyone. I like this thing that you know about it, because when I teach, they don't know. Some don't know about what is a blog, what is writing. So I like the spirit that you actually gaining the knowledge, or you have some knowledge. So basically, what is a blog is creating and publishing content on a website. The right and correct thing by the Manasmita. Blog is something that we go to the Google, we search here what is digital marketing. So this is the write up. Like on this website, we have this content. Okay, we read it, and that's called a blog basically. Okay, see, there are two things: article and blog. Same thing are there, only a little difference is in the article, when we are writing an article, there are no formations. Okay, like here you can see a link is there and another link is there, images are there, so everything is here. So it this is a blog basically, because headings, subheadings, the links and bold images, everything is here, the formation is being done, so that is a blog. Okay, but if there is no formation, you just write something, you did nothing in it, no images, no headings, no bold words, no links, then it is called a article. Okay, simple thing. There are other definitions as well, but we teach in our own thing is a that you understand in a better way that you can't forget. Okay, simple thing, blog and article. So now, how to write a blog basically. So I will teach you how to write the blog from the beginner. Okay, from the beginning. Basically, we are not the writers, right? We are not the writers. We don't know how to write, what to write, where to write. So here I am giving you all the information, all the knowledge practically. Just see on the screen. And if you face any of the issues, just ask me. So we will use some websites to write the blogs. So the first website name is Google Docs. Google Docs is same like the MS Word, okay? But Google Docs is in the online world, so it saves our work on the Google ID and auto saves it basically. So our work will not be, deleted anytime. Like if we write in the MS Word and we haven't added the, backup it. So if any case our laptop or our computer got issues and the memory got failed, our work will be gone. But if we work on the Google Docs, our work will be safe, whatever happens to our laptop. So here, when you open the Google Docs, you will find the same interface as like the MS Word. Next website we have is SEO title generator Fat Joy. Okay, search this one, SEO title generator. Spelling is error, but we got the result. SEO title generator Fat Joy. First website is this. Blog post headline, post title headline generator. What this will do is we write a topic here and it will create the titles for that blog. Okay. Next we have is Quillbot. So when we search for the Quillbot, we will have the here paraphraser option. Okay. So just click on the paraphraser and log in here. Then we will have the next website is plagiarism detector. Plagiarism detector. And the first website is plagiarismdetector.net. So we will use this one. Done. 4 websites are there. Google Docs. I will write it here as well. SEO title generator, Padjoy, Quillbot, and plagiarism detector dot net. The 4 websites are there. I have added in the chats. Just keep the note. So the first website we know Google Docs. So we will create here a blank document to write the articles or to write the blogs. Next we have the title here. So we will choose a one title. So let's suppose we are writing today on the topic about insurance. Okay, like what is an insurance and all the things. So we are writing here about the insurance. For always keep the first letter here capital and click on the generate titles. Now it will give you the 10 titles. Okay, 10 titles will be here. If you like one, just copy and paste. But if you don't, you can click on the generate titles again. Like here, let's see this one, insurance, what no one is talking about. Okay, never choose these ones, the 12 reasons, 20 reasons, or 12 or 9 signs. Okay, don't go for these pointers in the beginning, because if we are writing it 20 reasons, you need to stop stressing about insurance. Okay, then you need to write the same thing about this title. Okay, the title and the content should always match your should always be matched. So here we are taking the first one, sixth one, sorry, insurance, what no one is talking about. We copy it. After selecting Control C, go to the Google Docs. When pasting it here, when I click for the Control V, you can see this bluish background here, right? So don't just simply paste with Control V. I undo it. You need to paste with Control plus Shift plus V. Done. Now there is no blue background. So how you need to paste is Control plus Shift plus V. So there will be no background, means all the formations got away. All the formation got cleared. Now you can choose your own formation. Done. Next, what we have is we have to write the content, but first let's select it here, this one in the Google Docs. This is what is this? This is a title. So here in the upper hand upside you can see the normal text. We click here and we click to the title. Okay, when you select this, here at the upside you can see the styles option. In that you will see the normal text, and if this is a title, click for the title. So it already choose the size the title have. Next is content. So now right,
Sir, 1 minute, just sorry to interrupt you.
yeah,
Which site have you opened at present?
Google Docs.
Google Docs.
Yeah, okay,
Just be little slow, sir.
okay, ma'am. Okay, actually I haven't done anything right now. I just
Yeah.
opened the 4 websites.
Uh,
Okay,
could
we
you,
just
sorry to disturb you. What are these four first? I just joined late. Sorry for joining late. These
I
four.
have put all the websites in the chats.
Okay. What are
Yeah,
these for?
we are creating the blogs. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
like
Blogs.
how to write the blog.
Okay. Creating the blogs.
And the first thing we did is we just choose the title of the article. We choose title of the blog. Okay, for that we use this blog title generator, or you can just say SEO title generator FatJoy. Okay, we here added the topic on which we will write about, that is insurance. We click on the generate titles and we choose a title here. If we don't like, we click on the generate titles and it will generate the 10 more new titles for us, like this. And we click generate titles again and it will again refresh. Okay, done. So when creating the blocks, we have a formation. You can write it down, everyone. The formation is first comes the title, then comes the introduction of the topic. Like if we are talking about insurance, then we first should explain the what is insurance or the topic we are going to write about. Then we will have the content body, means all the content we need to write. What how insurance works, the benefits, features, disadvantages, advantages, everything basically. And at the end what we write is conclusion. Okay, we all follow this formation from the childhood. Oh, right. Like when we write in the exams, when we were in the school, we writing the exam. First, we give the title, then we give the introduction of the title. That's what we do in the exams. Like if question is there, first we suppose question is the advantages of insurance. So what we do is we first explain what is an insurance, then we put the advantages, and at the end we give the conclusion. The same format we have to follow. It's and this formation is not like we have given, it's the formation given by the Google itself. Okay. So if you write in this formation, your blog will be more, you know, beneficial for the others to read out, even for the beginners. So now we have this. Now we have to write the introduction. For the introduction, what we have to do is we have to go to the Google, and here we need to write what is insurance, or we can just copy the title here and search for it. Now don't copy the content from here. Okay. What you need to do is we need to go to the websites first. Like here, insurance business, we have insurance, everything you need to know. We right click on it and open link in new tab. So you will have this page itself and the next one as well. Go open 2-3 websites first. Like here, what is an insurance? This one, 5 regions you should consider getting insurance. The 3 websites we have opened. Okay. Now what we need to do is, see, we will copy the content from these websites, right? But when we copy it, somebody asks for the copyright, but here copyright will not come because here comes the plagiarism. Okay. We don't call it a copyright. We call it here a plagiarism when we copy the same content from the other's website. But we will also avoid that. Now I will show you how. First, we need to see if the websites we have opened, do they have the right content that we can copy or not. Like here, when we go down, the first thing is insurance definition, how it works and what are the types basically. So the first is insurance. Now see, here 3 paragraphs are there, and then comes the insurance. The same formation they have followed is introduction of the topics, then comes the insurance, what is in insurance, then comes how does insurance work, all the points, main points, what is an insurance premium and how it is calculated, all the things are here. Auto insurance rates, home insurance, home life insurance, what is a policy term, how does a policy limit work, deductible, what is a deductible, most common types of insurance came here. So the content is good, right? We can just consider the content here. Now comes to the second website is we have here, first is definition, key takeaways, then we have what is an insurance, how insurance works, the same things but in a different formation. Insurance policy components, the new thing we have here is insurance policy components, and then we have the types of insurances and insurance importance, bottom line. So bottom line is basically the conclusion. Okay. The third website we have, let's see. Not the content, they just gave the 5 regions only and nothing else. So we can just write these 5 regions, or these are also the benefits as well, basically the same thing but with a different headline. So we can just avoid this website, but we have these 2 websites here. I hope till now everything's clear. I haven't done anything big hard things. What we did is the four websites we have opened. Then we search for the content, and when we search, we open these two websites, three websites basically. The one was not useful, so we closed it. But always remember, when we are writing the blogs, copy the use the content from the two websites, not only from the one website. Because the same thing we did in the school or college basically, when we are in the exams, if we copy the same answers from our front bench, okay, the front friend we have, so the teacher always knows that they have cheated, right? But if we copy the content from the front, back, and the left or right basically, then we have the all the answers from all the portions, right? Like we take the some part from the first in the front bench, the some part from the last bench, some from the left bench, and some from the right bench basically. So if we write the content from different versions, then it will be hard for the others to find that the content is same or different. So they always thought that it's a different content, they write it on. Okay, done. So always took minimum two websites, but go for 3 or 4 websites. Okay, now the first thing is introduction. So here is the part we just copy. Here select the first two, copy it. We open the Quillbot of paraphrasing tool, right? Quillbot paraphrasing tool. Here in the left hand side we can also choose the paraphraser. In the left hand side, paste your content, and this paraphrasing tool has a limit. Okay, this has a limit of 125 words at a single time. Okay, 125 words in a single time. So don't go beyond that. That's why I only copied the two paragraphs, not the third. And in two paragraph is 109 words. So here we click on the paraphraser, and it will give the different version of it in the right hand side, but with the same meaning. Like disasters and accidents strike when they are least expected in the left hand side, but in the right, accidents and disasters happen when people least expect them, when they are least expected, or when people least expect them. So same meaning but different words. So this is what this tool do. So we just copy the content here, like this button, we just copied it. We go to the plagiarism detector website here. Now why plagiarism detector? That it will show to us if this content is copied or not. Like here, paste the content, click on the check plagiarism below. Done. Like here in the right hand side, you can see unique is 100%, exact 0, partial 0. If unique is not 100%, that means some part of this article, some part of this these paragraphs are copied. So now it's 100%. So what we will do is we will copy it again with Control C and go to the Google Docs. Here is the insurance. We paste it with Control V, not. Okay, no. We will paste it with Control plus Shift plus B. The same thing. Always paste the content with Control plus Shift plus V. Because if we paste it with Control V, then you can see the difference here. Right? So we avoid any of the formation in the content. Then We will go. Now see,
What is that, sir? Control plus Shift plus V.
right.
What is that for?
To avoid any kind of formations. Okay, like here when I paste with Control V, you can see different formation is there.
Okay.
Because we pasted the same formation from this website. Like you can see, big fonts, big
Oh,
fonts.
okay.
Okay, so to clear that formation, we paste with Control plus Shift plus V.
It will not duplicate it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, done.
To avoid for, I'm writing it, that's why.
Anything else, ma'am? Your mic is on.
To avoid what? No, you told no something to for this Control plus Shift plus V. To avoid
To avoid the formations, basically. Okay.
formations. Thank you.
Yeah. We copied the two paragraphs. Now the third one. Now see, when I am copying it, when I am copying the content, I am reading it first. Okay. So actually, my reading is a very fast because we do the things every day. These things. That's why. So when you copy the content, always read it so that there is no name of another website. Okay. Just copy the third one. Go to this paraphrasing tool. Here, delete this first one. Paste yours new and paraphrase it. And it is changed. Just copy it. Go to the plagiarism. Here, click on the recheck below. We will paste the line here, but we will not check it because if we check one line or below, 1.5, then it will just keep surfing, and will not give the results. So always give 3-4 lines in here. Now
Sir,
here,
even when you are writing a research paper, that time also this procedure can be followed.
yeah, sir, you can follow this. Okay, students, when they were in the, their PhDs, and they need to submit these theses, they do the things. Okay. Now what is next we have is what is insurance. So what we will do is one part cannot be done. So we will copy this paragraph as well. Paste it here. Paraphrase. We will copy this one. Go to this and paste it here. Now we have more. So here click on the check plagiarism. Now it is also 100% unique. We will copy it. Go to this. Paste it here with Control Shift V. But in between we need to write is what is insurance. So we copy this. Now when we copy the content, there is like a plagiarism thing, but when we copy the headlines, there is nothing like plagiarism because we cannot change what is an insurance. Okay, we cannot change this question now. So Google avoids these words, these questions, and these headlines. Google doesn't consider them as a plagiarized content. Okay, we copy it, we directly paste it on the Google Docs. We enter it here, we paste with Control Shift plus V, same thing. Now, that was the title, and this is if we click on above, select it and go to the normal text here, styles option, we see here headline, sorry, heading. Okay, so it's a heading 1. Done. Next content we can here add is the same thing, like copy it, go to the here, paste the content, paraphrase it, the same thing we need to follow, very simple things. Okay, copy it, go to this one, Click on the recheck. Here, paste the content. Check plagiarism. It's done. Copy it again. Go to the Google Docs. Paste it here with Control Shift plus V. Done. Now, sometimes what happens is, let's suppose we copy this content here. Let's copy it. We go to the paraphrase. We paraphrased it. But if we go here on the plagiarism and paste the content, like here I am pasting the same content, not the paraphrasing. Well, let's suppose this is the paraphrased. I copy it and go to here and paste it here and click on check plagiarism. Now what will happen? Let's see. See, what happened is exact 100%. Means I have copied this content 100%ly, and you can see here the plagiarized 100% the website as well, that is insurancebusinessmag.com, and the website is same insurancebusinessmag.com. Okay, done. So in that
Sir,
case,
sorry, sir, sorry to interrupt you. That
yeah.
means actually directly, suppose we are copying it from website and going for a plagiarism check, that time it is showing for 100%. Okay, sir.
Right.
But if we going through Quillbot, okay,
Yeah.
then it is a completely unique.
Yes.
Good, sir.
Okay,
Thank
because
you.
what Quillbot is doing is Quillbot is rephrasing the words and giving it the new sentences, but keeping the same meaning.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay, so like here, if the content is plagiarized, sometimes what this will happen, like to teach you this, I did it intentionally, but what will happen is when you go to the Quillbot, here copy this content, sometimes this content will also comes as a plagiarized content, the exact or partial. So in that case, what you do is you go to the paraphrasing here on the Quillbot and rephrase it. Okay, you rephrase it again, then you can use it, like copy it again, then you can recheck that content and it will be 100% unique. Okay, and here I'm pasting that content as well. Okay, done. I think it's all clear, like how to remove the plagiarism and how to write this content in an easy manner. Means you don't need to be a writer, you just need to be a reader. Okay, always read the content that it gives, but not like you read every and each and line. Just read it from the above, so that you know that all the things it gave, all the words are there, are correct. Okay.
Sir, just for clarification, because when you are writing a research paper, then you have to cite also.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have to cite.
Then
So
what to
see,
do?
when you are going for the research paper, you want to cite. Suppose you have done the content, copy the content from Insurance Business Mag, and here we write the what is insurance. We copied this content, but we will put the site from this Investopedia. Who will know? Because we just took the we just took the help of the website and write our own words. So what we will do is, here is the what is insurance. So we will cite this link, and so that if anybody open that website, they will see, yes, there is what is an insurance and the content is different, and what we have written is the content is different. See, you are giving me the thing like I am teaching you how to cheat.
No, it's not like that, sir. Even
Okay.
sir,
So
actually,
basically,
suppose we are opening the PDF form of a
Yeah.
research paper. Okay. And
Hmm.
following the same procedure. So
Hmm.
it means actually, of course, just after reading and writing in my own sentence, and I'm
Hmm.
taking the help of technology. So
Yeah.
I think it is same. So it is not a something I'm doing wrong. But
No,
only
you are
in this
not doing.
procedure.
See, what is happening is, um, uh, okay. So now we will talk it about it at the end, because first we need to do the today's work, right? First we need to learn about the things, because that topic goes, you know, will stretch out. Like if we go in the deep. So first let's see all the topics, and then we will talk about it. Because at the end we will be free. Yes, we can talk about the things. Okay, just note
Sure,
it
sir.
down.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, just note the topic, and at the end you can discuss with me. And now, see, we know all the things here. Let's pause here. Let's go. Done. Insurance introduction. What is an insurance? Done. Next, what we have is here, how does insurance work? But we will not take the content from here. We will take the content from the another website now. Like here, how does insurance works? We will copy this heading and paste it here. Put the question mark, select it, and go to the normal text. Now what it will be? Heading 1, because it cannot be a title. It cannot be a subtitle. Heading 1 we have used, so it will be what? Heading 2 or heading 1?
Heading 2, sir.
Heading 2. 2.
Heading 2. Okay. But it's not like that here. Okay. I just checked it so that you will not forget this thing. That's why I did, make you to do this thing. Basically, it will be a heading 1, because here we write the content. Let's suppose we have written the content here just for the example, and at that thing we go for this insurance policy components, this thing as well. Okay, let me just do 2 or 3 things. Heading 1, this one is also heading 1, but when we write this premium, okay, another heading in one heading, then it will be a heading 2, a subheading it will be. Okay, heading 2, heading 3 are the subheadings. Like in the left hand side you can see insurance. What is an insurance? How does insurance work? Insurance policy component. All are in the same alignment, but when I put the premium in heading 2, it is diagonally to the right side, something in the right side. So it says that premium is a part of this insurance policy component and not a different headline. Understand what is an heading and heading 2, heading 3? Like here, suppose this one is giving another thing, types of insurance. We put it to the heading 1. First one is life insurance. So we will put it to the heading 2. And if we put again here, that is fire insurance, then it will be heading 2 again, not the heading 3, because that fire insurance is not part of the life insurance. But let's suppose there is a part of term life insurance, and we know the XYZ, let's say XYZ life insurance. These are 2 parts of the life insurance. So we will put them to the heading 3, because it's a sub part of life insurance. And here in the left hand side you can see types of insurance, then comes the life insurance, then in the diagonally same right side are 2 terms, and then in the left hand side is fire insurance with the same thing that suggests that it is a heading 2. Okay, that is a different heading. I hope it's clear, the heading section.
Sir, it is you are typing on the Google Doc, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Uh,
Okay, done. So this is how you need to write the content, all the blog, and at the end you need to write the conclusion, and all the website that you open you will find the conclusion there as well. Like here, if I come down, who bear the risk, the merchandise, do you still, yes, see here, do you still have questions, be sure to get in with the insurance broker who sent this article to you, or refer to our best of insurance awards. Basically they are giving the here, they are marketing themselves. The insurance business mag is marketing themselves, and it is called a content marketing. Okay, when we write the complete content and at the end of the content we put a name of our we just give it a call to action. Basically we put a action there that yes, the reader should do, or should click on that action, then it will be a content marketing. So here we have also have the to conclude, but it is completely a content marketing part, so we will not write any other website name. But here if we go to the another website, we will see the bottom line is here. So that's also a conclusion that we can write here. Okay, done. So remember this conclusion, the bottom line, you can write it down, conclusion, the bottom line, end note, FAQs, all can be considered as the same thing, because at the end we need to complete the article, we need to complete our blog, okay, in a flow, not like we just talk about and talk insurance and we just ended it there. At the end we just give them a things about what we talked about in this blog, like in the conclusion, bottom line, and end note we can write down the thing we have talked about in this article, or we can talk about the future, and we can talk about the like something about the insurance itself basically. And in the FAQs there are some frequently asked questions, so we can also write them down if another website are also there, so you will find that. I hope everything's clear how to write the content, the formation.
Sir, I
Any
have
doubt in this?
yeah, sir, I have a small doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, while we are copying the other content from other websites,
Mhm.
if some blue color words will be there, like if we click them, the related information will be given in the Google
Mhm.
right there. So, if we are copying that, can we paste directly in our Google Docs, sir? Is there any
No.
problem?
Yes, there is a problem, because if we copy the same content, so the same link, then it will be like, that link will be redirected to the same website, not to the that different website. Okay,
Oh,
to add
okay.
the link I will
Oh,
continue with this topic. Okay,
oh, okay,
in
sir.
the yeah, in the coming time I will tell you how to add the link basically.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but first, when you are copying the content from the Google or any other websites, you need to paste it in a complete different manner, without any links, without any third party's website name.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sure.
making
Thank you.
it look like it's yours only.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, any other doubts? Okay, done. Then here I'm giving you 10 minutes. You can just write the some part of the topic. Okay, just put you know uh, choose a topic like insurance. I have chosen, you can choose an insurance, or I can give you a topic like cryptocurrency, on which you can write. You can write on the artificial intelligence, You can write on the digital marketing, or you can write about the um, foods you can eat in the summer. Okay, because summer is there, so we can write about the food that you need to eat in the summer. That's a trending topic. Or we can write about the more things are there. So I will also give you a hint about like how to write search for the different articles. So now giving you 10 minutes, just choose a topic and write about it. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the meantime, and then we will head to our next topic of making these blogs ranked on the Google and also publishing it. Yes, Geeta, all these websites are free. Okay, no one charges you anything. But if you want to go for the premium version, of course they will charge. But till now, it's been 8 years or 9 years we have been in this field, and nobody has been given some payments regarding to purchase the premium of these websites, because every work we need to do goes on this thing.
Sir, why you are using this SEO title generator?
Sir, we will talk about it.
Hello.
Yes, 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 yes. We will talk about it in like
Okay.
7 minutes more. Okay.
ठीक है.
Yeah. Next topic we have the same is SEO. Like what is an SEO? We have the same topic. I hope all are doing the work here, okay? Because when you don't write the blog, you will not understand the next topic that we are going to start. All are linked, so please make sure to write the blog, okay? Even these 3-4 paragraphs are enough as of now.
Sir, for images, what should we do if we'd like to copy the images, sir?
We will do, ma'am.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a process, so that's why I just talk about this thing. And next we will see how to add the images, how to rank them, what is an SEO, why we use all the things. You will understand all process.
Okay, sir.
So is it okay to use sites like Wikipedia for information?
No, ma'am, don't go for the Wikipedia. Because there is a something like the informations are correct there, but there are less headings and subheadings as compared to the other websites.
Okay.
Because Wikipedia goes for the long paragraphs.
Sir, when I am typing plagiarism checker, then it is coming under the heading of Grammarly.
Plagiarism checker note, it's plagiarismdetector.net.
Oh,
Okay, go for
sorry.
plagiarismdetector.net.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
First, I must go to Google Docs,
Yes.
but it is not. First, I must go to Google Docs.
Yes, first go to the Google Docs.
It is telling to sign in or log in.
Yes, it will tell you.
Okay, okay.
Okay, yes, yes. You need to go, you need to sign up with your Google ID. That's when all your blogs will be saved. Means they will be auto saved there.
Where to go?
Go to the Google Docs, sign up there,
Okay,
and okay.
okay, okay. Google
Yes.
Docs.
Anybody who has done with the blog, who has written the 3-4 paragraphs in the blog? Anybody there?
Yes, sir, I have done it.
Okay, very nice. Anybody else?
Yes,
Okay, no
I
man.
have done.
Okay, Manasmita, very nice. Okay, so I anybody who has started writing the blog? How many are there who have started writing the blogs?
Sir, I have done it, sir.
Okay, Madhu. And what about others? Prathino, very nice. Done it. Geeta, very nice. Okay, so see, let's start with the next topic. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir. A
Yes.
Control Shift V that I could not apply it.
Mm, why? Just click on the press the
Control
control.
V. Control V, I've done it, but Control
Mhm.
Shift V.
Okay, okay. No worries. Let me tell you another alternative.
So at
See,
a time, Control Shift then V. At a time, I have to do it.
yes, yes, the same time.
Ah,
First press the
okay.
control, then press shift, then press V.
Okay.
You
Now
don't
it has
have to.
happened. Yes, I
Yeah.
could do it.
Okay, okay, done, done.
Huh.
Okay, so let's start again. My screen is visible, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
It is visible, sir.
okay, thank you. Because I need to ask it. Okay, because what happens is sometimes due to network errors, the screen doesn't visible. So I one time it has happened when I completed the full topic. Nobody told me that your screen is not visible. So that's why. Okay, see, our content is here. Let me just delete this part. Yeah. Okay. So after writing the content, when the whole content is ready, now how will you know the content is ready? So there is a limit of the words. Okay. The thing is, you have to write minimum of 1000 words. Okay, minimum of 1000 words, and you can write 1200 words, 1300 words, and 1400 words, not an issue. But if you go above that, then the blog will look more lengthy. Okay, of course, there will be an information, the knowledgeable things will be there, but it will look more lengthy. So don't go above the 1500 words. Just keep your blogs between 1000 to 1500, and normally the blog varies from 1000 to 1200 itself. Now, to check the word count, there is a shortcut in the Google Docs that is the same: Control Shift C, not V. This time we use Control Shift C, and here you have the words 410. Like, see, in the only this part we have written, and it's already been Control Shift plus C and already been 410 words. So very easy to write, I hope.
Namaskar.
So now let's continue with our next topic, that is SEO. Okay. So we, after the SEO, we will publish our blog as well. But first, let's understand SEO. The full form is Search Engine Optimization. Search Engine Optimization. Done. Now, what is an SEO or what is a search engine? Basically, this is a Google, right? We can access it, anything, that's a search engine. Okay, Google is a search engine. When we search anything on the Google, it's because of the search engine, and we are accessing all the things in the Chrome browser. Okay, Chrome is a browser, Google Chrome is a browser, but Google is a search engine. Okay, from the search engine we can access to the information, a lot of knowledge, and the text and the articles and all the things. Basically, all the websites we can access through the search engines only. Like Yahoo is a search engine, it's still available. And Microsoft Bing, it's also a search engine. But Internet Explorer that we know, or the Microsoft Edge, is a browser. Okay, done. Now, what is a search engine optimization? So keep your notes, everyone. Okay, write down the definition first. What is a search engine? Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process or technique. Okay, I am hoping that you are writing. SEO is the process or technique to rank our website, to rank our website, or to increase the traffic, or to increase the traffic on our website organically. Okay, I am repeating it again. SEO is the process or the technique to rank our website or to increase the traffic on our website organically. Done? At the end, you need to write the word organically. It's very important. Without this word, the definition is completely incomplete. Definition is incomplete because there are two terms: search engine optimization and search engine marketing. In the marketing, it comes the ads part, means when we spend something and our website will rank. But in the SEO, means optimization, that is a organic part. We don't spend anything, we just use some techniques on our the blogs on our website, so that our website will be ranked on the Google freely. Like here, when I search Digitally Bulan, that's a blog website of mine. I created almost 4 or 5 years ago when I entered in this field. So till now, when I search the Digitally Bulan, means it's been 4 or 5 years. I haven't used this website. I haven't done any of the technique to rank this website. But when I did it, it's still available on the Google. It's still ranking on the Google. Like here, Digitally Buland, and the another website I have, the digital marketing agency of the Digitally Buland, Instagram, Just Dial, LinkedIn, Facebook, Flickr, LinkedIn, Facebook. You can see everything is ranking on the Google till now. It is only because of the SEO. Okay, it is only because of SEO, not because of search engine marketing or the ads. If we use the correct or right techniques, then you need to do it once and your websites will be ranked for a longer time period. I hope it's clear what is an SEO.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Now the first thing is we did is SEO, that is SEO title generator. So why we used it? Because that is a technique in the SEO part to rank our blogs. Basically what happens is, as of now, in the starting, we don't know which titles to write, how to write the titles and all. So we just gave a topic here, we click on the generate titles, and they gave us the SEO friendly titles here that people search on the Google basically. Okay, like 20 things about you should 20 things you should know about insurance. You can see insurance word is here permanent. If I search here life insurance and click on the generate titles, then the life insurance word will be permanent here. That is a technique of the SEO in the titles. Okay, understood why we use the SEO title generator?
Sir, kindly repeat.
Okay. See, when we search here life insurance, when we click on the generate titles, the life insurance word is permanent here. It is because it is a keyword. Okay, there is a term in the SEO that helps our blogs to rank on the Google. Okay, because life insurance is the main part of our blog. If we don't write this main word in the article, in the title itself, then it will not match up. So that's why it is a technique to have the same word as in the title, as in the titles, as you can see, and talk about the same word, means the whole blog will come around on this topic only and not anything else.
Okay,
Okay?
okay.
Yeah. I hope it's clear, everyone, now.
So, sir, means the moment you are hitting on generate title, so it is giving the options. Correct, sir?
Yeah, it will give.
Okay.
Yeah. So now moving on to another thing is the types of SEO, and then we will do the practical as well. Now, see, first we will go for the theory because there is some theory about SEO and the types of SEO. Then we will move on to the main part of the practical. So please pay attention. That is, next we have is types of insurance. Sorry. Types of SEO. We are writing on the insurance, so my mind just got stuck there. Basically, types of SEO. So we have three types. The first one is on page. Okay, here I'm writing on page SEO. Second one is off page SEO. The third one is technical SEO. Okay, the three types of SEO is there. That is on page SEO, off page SEO, and the technical SEO. Now, if we talk about the on page SEO, then we have, see, this is our page, a very simple language, just see on the screen. This is our page, so it is on page. Okay, if we are doing any of the SEO practices on this page, means on the page, it is called the on page SEO. And if we go off this page, go off this page means this one is R, but we go to this website or this one, and we do their SEO practice, then it will be a off page SEO. Understand on page and off page? Clear?
Sir, off page once, please.
Okay. See, this is my website, on page SEO. If I am doing any of the things here, if I am doing any of the practices here, that will be come under the on page SEO. But if I go to other websites like here, Pinterest, if I go here and put the link of this website on this website, then it will be an off page SEO because I haven't done any of the practice here but on this website. Okay, then it is a
Okay.
off page SEO.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I think now it's clear. The third one is technical. So what is technical SEO is, this is my website. So all the, like how my website is looking like, the structure, the architect, the layouts, the speed of the website, all the options are working. So this comes under the technical SEO. Basically, the technicalities and functionalities of the websites, when we work on them, it is called an technical SEO. Done? All three web SEOs are clear. Now, let's move on to the first part, on page SEO. Okay, we will cover the on page only here because that is more useful in ranking your website. So here the first term comes is meta tags. Okay, I am writing meta tags in on page SEO. So what is a meta tag? Basically, see, there are some important words, some relevant words in our blogs that are related with the insurance. Like here we know, here unanticipated calamities, we just bold it. Okay, we will highlight this word. Or safeguarding, that's also related with insurance, we bolded it. Now if we have others, that is, now here financial tool, like insurance is a financial tool basically. So we bolded it. Okay. So when we bold, italics or underline means when we highlight any of the word in our blog that is relevant with the topic, that is important with the topic, it is called a meta tag. Understand? And one more thing, we don't need to bold every of the words. We just make it look naturally. Okay, we need to put them naturally here. Like 2 words here I did, 1 word here I did. Next here, let's suppose I am seeing that is policy holder. So I just bold it here. Next, what I am seeing is according to Merriam-Webster. Okay, that's a definition from author. So I just bold it down here. And in this, if I am seeing another like legal agreement, insurance is a legal agreement, so I bold it down here. And in this, if anybody can say, like anybody from the class, what can I bold here? What can we make a meta tag
Policy
here?
holder, sir, policy holder.
Policy holder. Where policy holder?
After car accident.
After car accident, policy holder. Okay, done. But we have already did that. Okay. Yeah. So we don't make the same words bold again and again. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
But
Property
that's a
damage.
nice thing.
Property damage.
Property damage.
Next.
And it's here. Very nice. Any other?
Medical expenses.
Medical expense
Financial advantage.
and
Financial advantage.
financial advantage.
Financial hardship.
It's a phrase.
What just did you just said?
Financial hardship, sir.
And
That is in the last line.
last line. Financial hardship. Yeah. Nice. Okay, done.
Done.
I hope you have understood the work here. Like what is how to make the meta tags basically.
Is it the highlighting, you know?
Yeah, it's
Highlight.
basically highlighting, but we will only highlight with the bold, not with the any color, not with the underline, not with the italics. Okay, we will highlight by bolding them. So meta tags are clear. Now, what is the use of the meta tags? See, Google has a tool, Google has a bot called crawler. Okay, CRAWLER, crawler. There is a bot called crawler. So now how meta tags will help us in ranking is this tool crawler comes on our website, fetch our complete data, okay, fetch the complete blog and all the other datas, and secure it in its system. Okay, store it in its system. But when storing it, crawler segregates the data. Okay, just keep segregate the data in two things. That is, in one part the complete data, and in one part only the meta tags. These meta tags, because the crawler knows if some word is highlighted, then it is a meta tag. So one thing, there is a one in one part is a meta tags and in one other part is complete data. So when I am searching on the Google, okay, when a random person searching on a Google financial tool basically, so Google will give me some options here. Okay, some parts are here, some blogs are here. Now when Google are giving me these searches, these results, is how, like, the crawler gets the query, crawler goes to the meta tags, crawler search their financial tool, and the most useful result, the most relevant result the crawler finds to show me, it shows to me, okay, the most relevant results. Like how when it goes to the meta tag, The crawler search for the financial tool. It takes then it searches to the complete data and it checks the complete data, and then crawler knows that only these are 4, 5 or 6 results are there that are useful for this one, so I will put them in the same liner. Means the first options you see here, the first website you see here are based on the relevant and usefulness of the content basically. Because the financial tool I searched, crawler checked it in the meta tag, crawler sees like what are the financial tools that are linked with this meta tags, that are linked with this meta tag basically, and then show me the data. This is the thing of the meta tags basically, like how it is ranking our blog. Done. I hope it's clear. Okay, done. Now you don't need to make all the, like, see here till now we have made the blog meta tag here in this one, in this in this. But let's suppose if there is no any word that I find relevant or important, I will not make any of the meta tag. Okay, that's not compulsory that you have to make in every paragraph a meta tag. You can leave the paragraph. Now let's go to the another thing is external link. Okay, next part is external link. Now in the external link, what is, let's see, there is a word. Okay, we will know like here financial tool or another word, let's say policy holder. Okay, we just choose the policy holder, go to the Google, paste it and search with the word Wikipedia. Okay, now here the first website comes a Wikipedia with the same word of the policy holder. Okay, keep the same word. Open that website. Now here as we can see, nothing is here. It redirected me to the another page. So I will choose another word here. Let's choose here Merriam-Webster. Let's suppose go to the Google, paste it. Okay, there's a copy it, go to the Google, paste it and search with the Wikipedia again. Now the same name is here. I just open it and it has the information about this one. What I will do is I will copy the link from the above, just copy it, go to the website, and we have already selected this word. Here in the above part you will see this insert link. Okay, just click on that, paste the link, click on the apply, and you see a link is attached here. The word is hyperlinked. Done. So it's called a external link because that link is not belonging to us, it's belong to the third website which is not ours. So this is called external link. And one was asked about how to add the another website link, so this is how you can add the websites link. Done. Just keep one thing is you can only put one external link. Okay, not more than that. Like people put the external link, put 10 links or 13 links or more and more links, but they are putting it for the products basically or referring to some other websites basically, not the in each and every word that suggests. Let's suppose there is a word legal agreement, so you cannot put another link here to explain this word on the Google. Like if somebody doesn't know about legal agreement, so they click on it, you don't put the external link for this purpose. You only put the external link on the one external link and only on the in one external link in one blog. And if you want to put more, only you can only put it more external link when you write for the product based or the service based, when you're explaining for the others work as well. Okay, I hope it's clear. Done. We have done with the
Yeah.
meta text and the crawler. Next, the last thing we came here is attaching the images. Because if we don't attach an image here, it will not look visually appealing. People will get bored. So here, go to the Google, search insurance image. Here in the image section, you can see images are here of the insurance. So let's put this one image. We open it. Done. So when we open, let's see this image. There are two things you need to see. The same when we did in the graphics is the image is clear, not the blurred, and there is no watermark. And the same is here. So we just right click it, save image as PNG. The same thing we do here. We just save it, go to the Google Docs, and we can put our image here, not in the starting, but after the first topic. Okay, we go here, we go to this image section. Here in the above, insert image, we upload from computer. We choose the image here, and it is here. Done. And the next image we can put again here. Like we have the next image. Here insurance types basically. Okay, like how insurance works, and after that we write the types of insurance. So for the types of insurance we can use this image. Same thing, right click it, save the image, go to here, go to this one, insert image, upload from computer, choose the image, and it is here. If we click on this, we can make it smaller and we can make it bigger. I hope it's clear everyone how to add the images as well.
Yeah, it is clear, but one thing, suppose we are borrowing the image from other website.
There is no copyright.
Okay.
Okay, there is no copyright. I know your question. This will come up. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because they are, see, there is no watermark and all the things, and we are using it from the Google because they put it on the Google for this purpose itself. Okay, copyright comes up on the YouTube basically, not on the website's images. Okay,
Sir,
but
what about the plagiarism check, sir? Plagiarism check?
what about plagiarism?
Suppose this article, see, one way you could avoid the plagiarism check with the help of Quillbot. Okay, sir?
Yeah.
Which you have taught us earlier. But
Mhm.
when you are just inserting the image or
Mhm.
image actually from other website, so
Mhm.
will it come under plagiarism?
No, 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 no. No copyright, no plagiarism. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But if you are using the image that has a logo, suppose this one, see here in the made, you can see this watermark here, watermark logo. So if you use this image, that website can claim this website, this image. No, they can claim on you that you have used the image from their website. That's why. So don't use any of the watermarked image, the logo from other websites, and s- don't make the images, don't use the blurred images. That's the thing. So yes, I hope everything is clear from for today. Now the homework is you have to write a complete blog, a one blog, and after writing the blog, we will do one thing is tomorrow, like we have to do this today itself to publish them, but I will let you know how to publish the blog tomorrow, because not tomorrow, basically in the next class, that is on the Monday. But for to publish them, you need to have the work in your hand. You need to have the blog in your hand, a complete blog with the meta tags, the external link, and the images. So that you just came, and in the 10 minutes it will take hardly to publish the blog. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So that's your work. And let's wrap the today's session here. Any particular topic, not Prathanev? I have shared the topic, that is cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, or you can choose the foods you can eat in the summer, tips to stay healthy in the summer, all the thing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Wait. See, you told us that you can copy from the website any blog you can create.
Yeah.
But again, you're saying it will say it is not 100%, you have not created, it is copied. Then how can we take it that?
See, if you directly copy and paste the content, it is
Okay.
a plagiarized content, right?
Okay. Okay.
But if you copy the content, go to the Quillbot and paraphrase it, the words will be changed.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Like, see, there is a term definition. Computer is a machine
Okay.
that does the mathematical calculations.
Okay.
And we can rephrase it that mathematical terms done by the machine is called a computer.
Okay.
The meaning is same, we just rephrased it.
Okay. Changing the meaning of the sentence.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
there is a term insurance. So
Okay.
insurance definition cannot be changed. It will, the meaning will be same every time, but we can change the words now. So we are changing the words from the Quillboard, and after changing the words, the content is not no more plagiarized, basically, because it's our content now.
Okay. Then one more doubt. All these four we have to sign in.
No, not all four. You have to sign up
Google
in the
Doc.
Google Docs and the Quillbot only.
Okay. Sign up in
Okay, done.
Google Doc. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so let's wrap the today's session. It was a
Sir, if you give me 1 second.
yes.
Very interesting.
Sir, just tomorrow will be teach us how to upload in the blog. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, just I have heard from somebody, the
Hmm.
people used to upload in Google Scholar their
Hmm.
paper. Okay. So,
Yes.
would you teach us how to do it?
In the Google Scholar.
Huh?
No, sir. In the Google Scholar is something different thing. Blog is a different thing. Okay.
But process could be same, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Some process will be same. You have to just sign up on the Google Scholar as well.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
And see,
Okay.
the publishing part was today's, but it takes a time in the doubt session. It took some time. That's why we have to wrap it here itself.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay,
Tomorrow
but
we'll make
yeah.
everything ready so that we'll be able to some write up to upload actually in the Google Doc. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So in the next class, that is in the Monday, that is on the Monday, we will see how to upload the blogs, how we can earn from it, and some part of the SEO as well. The competitor analysis, like how the competitor is doing in the field and how we are doing.
And it will always appear in the Google, sir.
Yes,
Our
sir. Not
okay.
like it will appear after publishing in 2 days. It took some time. Okay.
Okay, but it will appear.
It will appear if you do the work on it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So done. So before leaving, I request you all for the today's feedback. Just share it with me. How you like the today's session?
It was great, sir.
Thank you so much, Kumar Das. And what about others?
Answering our questions very patiently, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I am also liking it that today you are sharing by unmuting yourself. So it is making me more happy today itself that yes,
Thank you.
Thank you.
day by day you are improving.
Thank you.
Sir.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, then let's wrap the session. Bye bye.
नहीं नहीं तुम बोलते जाओ